I wanted to call you in today and talk about your class performance. So I've noticed you've missed the last 2 weeks of school and your major assignment, which was due last week, hasn't been submitted yet. And the withdraw deadline for this course is coming up next week. So I'm just wondering where things are at.
There's just a lot going on. I've been so busy this month.
University is a really busy time always, and there's going to be parts that are really stressful. So I'm just wondering if there's anything that I can do to help you meet your class and work assignments.
I don't really know if you can help much. It's family stuff. My mom is really sick. She's in the hospital, so I've just been there a lot.
I'm really sorry to hear that. How are you doing with that?
I'm okay. I mean, considering the situation, my stepdad isn't doing so well, and neither is my brother. They're not home much, and when they are, they're just fighting.
Are you able to talk to anyone else about this? I mean, maybe it's a good idea to set yourself up with counseling services?
I've tried to get in. I've tried to make an appointment, but it's weeks before I can get that. And I don't even know how my mom will be doing in weeks.
Wow. It does sound like you're having a lot of different things to focus on right now, which leads me to wonder how you're going to fit in your attendance and work and assignments into all of this.
I don't know. I'm trying to do the best I can. I do think an extension could help. I just can't afford to withdraw from this course. It would set me a whole year back in my program. I think if you could give me a break, I could get it all together. What do you think?
Just a minute, okay? Oh, hi. Yes, I have a student in my class, and she's in my office right now. Right. I'm just wondering if there's an appointment that I can make for her right now. Oh, I'm happy to walk her down. Sure. Oh, that'd be great. Thank you so much. I'll see you in a bit. Thank you. Bye-bye. So, good news. Counseling services will see you right now, and I'm happy to walk you down to their office. I can give you an extension on the assignment, provided that you're seeking support at the same time. That being said, I do know how much you're going through right now, but this is the last extension on this assignment and for the semester. Does that work for you?
Yeah, I get it. Thanks so much.
Okay, let's go then. Go ahead.
Thanks so much for helping me out with everything.
Oh yeah, no problem. That's what we're here for, right?